Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I will show you how to block comments on YouTube that promote links or contain spam links. This is really useful if you want to keep your comment section clean and spam-free. So without wasting any time, let's get started by going to the App Store. In the search bar, type YouTube Studio and make sure the app is updated to the latest version so that you don't face any issues. Once the app is updated, simply open the YouTube app. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Settings. From here, scroll down and tap on Content Controls. Now scroll down again, and as you can see, there is an option called Block Text Links. If you enable this option, any comment that contains a link will automatically be filtered and removed. That's it for this video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful YouTube tips and tutorials. Until next time, see you soon.